Friends, you are once again very welcome to Amazing Gadget and the world of awesome invention Crazy Gadget. And the gadget that comes in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work than it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to meet these gadgets one by one. If the channel has not subscribed yet, then subscribe now. And let's go first towards gadget. Number 1. Omni Ultimate. Omni Ultimate, a high-tech power bank which has AC output as well as DC output, whom you according to the current capacity of the device, you can easily charge many of your smart devices without any problems. That means you can charge laptop, DSLR camera, drone, etc. And its special thing is that this gadget does not require electricity for charging because it has a solar panel on top which automatically charges from sunlight, and it has a 38,000 mAh battery inbuilt which is fully charged in about 3 hours. Number 2. Triscale. Guys, this three-handed gadget helps you to measure in the ingredients which comes in very small size which is also very easy to use. You just have to open all three hands on a plain surface and later you have to put a ball on top of it and at the same time you have to power it on, after which your emitting gadget is ready to reduce itself. And this device has a battery inbuilt which you will get to see its battery life comfortably for a long time and talk about its measuring capacity, so you can easily measure up to 5 kilograms of ingredients. Number 3. Shiftware. Friends, till now you had seen smartphones and smart TVs coming, but due to advanced technology, some special inventor has now installed LED display in these shoes too, in which you can show your favorite images and videos in your shoes. And these shoes carry with them Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, which you will be able to control through your app by connecting it to your smartphone, and you also get a lot of design in its application. By setting these, you can enhance the look of your shoe even more. These shoes are fitted. The screen is completely flexible, and if you do it after charging, then there is no need to charge it because these shoes are automatically wirelessly charged when you walk. Number 4. Glowing jacket. Guys, you must have seen and worn a lot of jackets, but have you ever seen a jacket that glows in the dark of night? If you have not seen, then see this glowing jacket which carries with the ability of glowing. That is, this jacket looks white in the daytime, and as soon as it gets dark and a little light falls on the jacket, then this jacket is seen in the automatic green glowing effect, and it is also waterproof which you can use in any season. Number 5. Anytech fingerprint lock. Guys, do you still use normal locks? So you will know that many times it happens that due to having many keys, which key is the key of the lock, we sometimes forget and its lock is not so strong. So keeping this situation in mind, this new technology smart fingerprint lock has been invented, which comes with fingerprint security capability, in which you can add fingerprint of 10 people. It has been made very strong, which is quite difficult to break, and in this lock there is a 300 lithium polymer battery inbuilt which gives you a battery life of about 1 year. Number 6. Litmore Battery Cam. Friends, this gadget can connect your smartphone and keep your home secure, which is the home security camera. Whether it is indoors or outdoors, this gadget is very easy to record video footage, and to use it, you can simply stimulate it anywhere. You have to stick through the mount and you will have to install an app in your mobile phone, after which you can also watch live video from this camera which records the video in HD quality. And there is also a motion zone sensor than this. If someone comes near this camera, then the camera sends instant notifications to your mobile, after which you can see anyone with audio communication, and you also get 5200 mAh battery in it. Apart from your smartphone, you will also be able to control it easily with the voice control feature. Number 7. Mofti X. Friends, this gadget is a stand, making your mobile a foldable mobile phone. By installing it on the back side of your mobile, you can make your mobile stand vertical and horizontal through this gadget. It does not only for mobile, but also you can easily keep your 3 multiple cars in it. Friends, the link of all these gadgets is given in the description box below. If you want to buy, you can buy from there. So please like the video as well as subscribe to the channel and set the notifications so that such fun gadgets can be seen by you first. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.